Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Let's learn the conversation between fruit seller and customer. Let's get started. Good morning.
Good morning, how can I help you?
I want to buy some fruit.
Sure, what would you like?
How much are the grapes?
Grapes are 120 rupees per kilo.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram of grapes, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I want bananas too.
Bananas are 50 rupees per dozen.
Please give me 1 dozen bananas.
Here you are, anything else?
No, that's all. How much is the total?
The total is 170 rupees.
Here is the money.
Thank you, have a nice day.